As of January 18th, 2026, this video guides you through connecting Stripe to ClickFunnels using Payments.ai. This integration allows seamless payment processing within your ClickFunnels funnels, leveraging Stripe's robust payment infrastructure through Payments.ai as an intermediary. We'll cover why this setup is essential for efficient online sales. Let's define the key players in this integration. First, Stripe is a leading payment processor that handles trillions of dollars in transactions annually, providing secure APIs for accepting payments through credit cards, digital wallets, and bank transfers. Next, Payments.ai acts as a payment gateway aggregator, simplifying the process of connecting payment processors like Stripe to platforms such as ClickFunnels. It provides a unified interface and handles the technical integrations. Finally, ClickFunnels is a SaaS platform designed for creating sales funnels, marketing pages, and e-commerce sites. It allows users to build complete customer journeys without coding expertise. Together, Payments.ai serves as the bridge that connects ClickFunnels with Stripe, enabling seamless payment processing within sales funnels through a straightforward integration process. Now let's walk through the step-by-step process to connect Stripe to ClickFunnels via Payments.ai. This setup typically takes about 10 to 15 minutes and requires accounts on all three platforms. First, create your accounts. Visit stripe.com to sign up for a Stripe account, providing your business details and verifying your identity. Then go to Payments.ai and create an account there, linking it to your business information. Next, generate your API keys. In your Stripe dashboard, navigate to the Developer section and create both publishable and secret keys. Copy these securely. Then, in Payments.ai, access your account settings to obtain your API credentials there. Now in ClickFunnels, log into your account and navigate to Settings, then Payments, and click Add Gateway. Select Payments.ai from the options and input your API keys from both Stripe and Payments.ai. Save the configuration. Finally, test the connection by creating a simple funnel or page in ClickFunnels with a payment form and process a small test transaction using a reel or test card. Confirm that the payment goes through successfully. Security is paramount in payment processing. The Stripe and Payments.ai integration for ClickFunnels employs multiple layers of protection to safeguard transactions. End-to-end encryption ensures that payment data remains secure throughout the entire transaction process, from the customer to the payment processor. Tokenization replaces sensitive payment information with unique tokens, preventing actual card details from being stored or transmitted. Stripe handles this process seamlessly. The integration complies with PCI DSS 4.0 standards, the latest security requirements for handling payment card data. This ensures comprehensive protection against data breaches. Stripe provides advanced fraud detection using machine learning to identify and prevent suspicious transactions, protecting both merchants and customers. Together, these security measures ensure that transactions processed through Stripe via Payments.ai in ClickFunnels are protected at every level, giving you and your customers peace of mind. When setting up Stripe through Payments.ai for ClickFunnels, it's important to understand the cost structure to ensure it fits your business needs. Stripe charges 2.9% plus 30 cents for each transaction, which is competitive for online payments. Payments.ai adds an additional 0.5% fee on top of Stripe's charges, making the total processing fee 3.4% plus 30 cents per transaction. This aggregator service provides the integration convenience but increases costs slightly. Typically, there are no setup fees for connecting Stripe via Payments.ai, which keeps the barrier to entry low. However, accessing advanced features like detailed analytics or priority support may require a monthly subscription. To determine cost effectiveness, assess your transaction volume. For high-volume businesses, these fees can add up, so compare with alternatives. The cost comparison graph shows how these fees stack up against other payment methods. Real-world examples show how businesses leverage the Stripe Payments.ai ClickFunnels integration. E-commerce startups have boosted conversion rates through seamless checkout experiences. Nonprofits benefit from global fundraising with multi-currency support. Subscription businesses effectively manage recurring payments. E-commerce startups report significant improvements in conversion rates. For instance, a dropshipping business, integrated this setup and saw cart abandonment drop from 70% to 30%, processing over $2 million in sales. The seamless checkout reduces friction, leading to higher purchase completion. Nonprofits use this integration for global fundraising campaigns. A charity raised $500,000 in donations through event ticketing, thanks to multi-currency support for international contributors. Matching gift programs further enhance impact, with unclaimed funds encouraging larger gifts. Subscription-based businesses manage recurring payments effectively. An online course platform retained 85% of subscribers over a year, with automated billing through ClickFunnels funnels. This setup handles subscription cycles seamlessly, ensuring consistent revenue streams. These examples demonstrate the integration's versatility across industries. Whether for e-commerce, nonprofits, or subscriptions, it provides reliable, secure payment processing that drives business growth. Looking ahead, the payment integration landscape is evolving rapidly, with greater automation and AI-driven optimizations becoming the norm. The trend is towards greater automation and AI-driven payment optimization, making processes more efficient and reducing errors. Deeper AI integrations are expected for predictive analytics within ClickFunnels, helping businesses anticipate customer behavior and maximize conversions. Experts highlight the democratization of payment processing for non-coders, empowering businesses of all sizes to set up advanced systems easily. Though some experts caution against over-reliance on intermediaries, recommending direct connections for more control in complex setups. Keep an eye on evolving regulations and emerging technologies like blockchain payments, which could transform how we handle transactions in the coming years. These future trends and expert opinions suggest a payment ecosystem that is more automated, user-friendly, and innovative, with careful consideration of regulations and new technologies.